Mumbai, where a tragedy has struck as a portion of an under-construction metro pillar collapsed on the LBS road in Mulund West in Mumbai, crushing a moving auto rickshaw. One person has died and several others have been injured, and all have been rushed to the hospital. The incident, of course, has now sparked political criticism, with opposition slamming the state government over the laxity that has emerged as far as safety standards are concerned, and also poor oversight of metro construction projects. No barricading and none of the security apparatus that was in place. Remember, this was a thoroughfare. All of this moving traffic that was allowed to go ahead from an under construction metro bridge, and that's where this tragedy really happened. Questions are now being raised about the contractors' accountability and whether penalties or stricter measures will be enforced to prevent such tragedies in future. Authorities have launched an inquiry into how and why this collapse really happened, and while the Maharashtra government has also now gone on to announce financial assistance for the deceased person's family and the coverage of medical expenses for the people who have been injured in this accident.
लापरवाही बहुत बड़ी है। यहाँ पे एमएमआरडी का काम है। यहाँ पे जो प्रशासन के लोग हैं और जिसको भी ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया है उसने किस तरह का काम किया। अगर मुझे मैडम के पास से पता चला है कि कल ही पैराफिट वॉल यहाँ पे फिटिंग की है, तो उसको बैरिकेड्स की सुरक्षितता, उसकी सेफ्टी, उसका जो नॉर्म्स है उन्होंने वो फॉलो किया है या नहीं। अगर वो नहीं फॉलो नहीं किया या किया तो नीचे से वाहतूक जा रही है, गाड़ियां जा रही है, तो उनको रुकाना चाहिए था उतने टाइम के लिए। हाँ, रुकाना चाहिए था।
पास ही के हॉस्पिटल में
उपासना हॉस्पिटल में उनको सबको एडमिट किया है। उसमें एक व्यक्ति एक्सपायर हो गए, वो भी पता चला। रिक्शा में बैठे हुए पैसेंजर उसमें मृत घोषित हो गए और बाकी के 3 जो है उनको उपासना मल्टी सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट किए है।
Let me take this across to my colleague Ananya Gupta, who's with us on the broadcast. Ananya, we were just playing out this reaction of the BMC mayor. All the blame seems to be pushed onto the contractor, but accountability also lies with the mayor, also with the government in the state. What are they doing about that, taking responsibility, onus over what has happened? This is criminal negligence.
Yes, absolutely. The CMO, the opposition has been targeting the government, the MMRDA, over this accident, over this incident that has, that happened in Mulund around 12:15 p.m. The opposition has been saying that is the life of a Mumbaikar so cheap, and the Congress, the Shiv Sena, UPT is indeed questioning the government that what has it been doing, why were safety protocols, why were safety norms not followed at such a site where metro construction was in process. They have been questioning the government. Congress has alleged that is the contractor's commission more important than the life of an ordinary Mumbaikar. I must also tell you that the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has also announced financial assistance of rupees 5 lakhs to the deceased, and they will also take care of all the medical expense that that for the people who are injured. But the opposition has been attacking the government that is 5 lakhs just the value of an ordinary Mumbaikar who stays here, who works hard, and infrastructure is important, and Mumbai is a city where infrastructure work never stop, it always continues. But will it come at the cost of an Mumbaikar? They have been questioning, Mumbai Mayor Ritu Taude also arrived at the spot. She has also questioned that she said that the parapet, the wall that has collapsed, the slab of the wall that has collapsed was just put up yesterday. That construction just happened yesterday. Then why were safety norms not followed? Why was the area not barricaded? Why was it not flagged? That if a construction has taken place, why this sort of negligence? She is also ensured action against the contractor, the site engineer, and also questioned the MMRDA.
Right,
why
Ananya,
this
you are a
incident happened.
resident of the city. You know the city well. As far as this LBS road in Mulund area in Mumbai is concerned, take our viewers through what the thoroughfare really is like. And these are very pertinent questions that you're raising about why this particular place was not barricaded, why was traffic allowed to move from underneath something that was getting constructed, an under constructed bridge, metro bridge that one is talking about over here. But more on this LBS road where this mishap has taken place.
Right. The bridge is in the LBS road of Mulund West, which is indeed a very busy road. Thankfully, it was a Saturday today, so there was less traffic in the area. It is widely used by commuters every day. But since it was a Saturday, most government offices are closed, private companies are closed. So most Mumbaikas were not present here, and that's why the traffic was very less at this road. And a bridge construction at such a busy road was taking place. Still, it was not barricaded. The traffic was not diverted. So whatever the traffic was there on a weekend, that was Saturday today, was affected. The bridge, part of the bridge collapsed on an auto rickshaw and a part of the car. Thankfully, nobody was injured in the car, but all the people sitting in the auto rickshaw were injured. One of them has unfortunately passed away. One is in critical condition, and two are said to be in a stable condition.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much. Unfortunate incident that is emerging out of the Mulund area in Mumbai. We're tracking every detail and development for all of you.